Welcome to Colux Realty's latest listing. We're at 7817 Haleyville Court in Aurora, Colorado in the Whispering Pines neighborhood. This home is a ranch-style home with 2 beds plus an office and 3 baths. It's a little over 4,500 square feet with an unfinished basement, and 2,300 square feet of that is finished. Come inside and take a look at this.
The primary bedroom features an abundance of natural light, a 5-piece primary bath, and a large walk-in closet. The extra-large luxury living area includes a gas cooktop, double ovens, quartz countertops, a large dining room, and enough space to fit even your largest pieces. This home sits on one of the largest lots of Whispering Pines at just over a quarter acre. It backs to green space and has some of the best views in the neighborhood. The three sliding doors give you fantastic access to the concrete patio that includes a natural gas hookup. Thank you for touring 7817 South Haleyville Court with us today. We'll talk to you soon.